If your Meta smart glasses shows connected but there is no sound, here's how to fix it. Start by placing the glasses into the charging case and keeping the case open near your phone, giving the connection a moment to fully reset with the audio link. Next, turn Bluetooth off and back on from your phone's settings to refresh the audio connection and clear any temporary sound routing issues. Also, fully close the MetaView app and reopen it, allowing the app to properly manage audio output to the glasses. Then, remove the glasses from the case and put them on, confirming they power on and show normal connection indicators. Finally, make sure the glasses are selected as the active audio device on your phone before testing sound again. For more wearable tech tips, watch our next video on fixing Meta Smart Glasses connected but not working.